Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pork empanada. Start with the dough, which is surprisingly simple. You'll need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 stick of cold, unsalted butter cut into small pieces. Mix these ingredients, then slowly add about 1/2 cup of ice water until a soft dough comes together. This chilling step is crucial for a flaky crust, so don't skip it. Now for the heart of our empanadas, the savory pork filling. Brown 1 pound of ground pork in a pan, then add 1/2 cup of chopped onions and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Stir in 1/2 cup of diced potatoes, 1/4 cup of carrots, and 1/4 cup of green peas. Season with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper for a rich, balanced taste. Assembling these delicious pockets is the fun part. Roll your chilled dough to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Use a 4-inch round cookie cutter to create your empanada wrappers. Place about 1 tablespoon of the cooled pork filling in the center of each circle. Fold the dough over to form a half-moon shape, then firmly crimp the edges with a fork to ensure a tight seal. Finally, it's time to bake your empanadas to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the assembled empanadas on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For a beautiful golden crust, brush the tops with an egg wash made from 1 beaten egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are wonderfully golden brown and flaky.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.